In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable privacy mode on Cursor AI. If you're new to this tool or just want to make sure your data is as secure as possible, this guide will walk you through the simple steps needed to ensure your privacy. The whole process is quick and should only take you about 5 minutes. Start by opening up your favorite web browser and heading over to cursor.com. Once the site is fully loaded, you'll be on the Cursor AI homepage. It's here that we'll begin our adjustments. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll spot a settings option tucked down there. Go ahead and give that a click. Now you'll see the settings menu pop up. Within this menu, we're looking for the privacy option, so click on settings once again. This might seem repetitive, but we need to ensure we're in the correct section to make the necessary changes. Once inside, look for the privacy category. This is typically where we can manage all aspects related to your data and how Cursor AI handles it. When you've located the privacy section, you should see an option to edit. Click on the edit button. This will give you access to make the changes we need. Now you're a step closer to securing your privacy. Next, you'll find the toggle or option that says privacy mode. This is what we're going to enable. It's important to make sure that you actually activate this setting. Often, tools like this will require you to confirm your choice. In this case, there's a text box below. You'll need to type the phrase privacy mode into that box. This step acts as a confirmation, letting the system know you're certain about enabling this feature. Once you've typed privacy mode, you'll be ready to finalize the process. The last thing you need to do is click Done. This saves your changes and ensures that privacy mode is now active on your account. Take this moment to double check that everything looks correct because this step is crucial in applying your new settings. And there you have it. With privacy mode now enabled, you've taken an important step in protecting your personal data while using Cursor AI. Remember, maintaining privacy online is not just about activating features, but also about staying informed and mindful of your digital presence. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to use Cursor AI and other technologies effectively. Stay secure and see you next time.